Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get mutated golden goose egg in Grow a Garden new update. Okay, let's get into it guys. After you get the golden egg on your garden, don't immediately sell it. I recommend you to wait until the egg get mutation. So guys, this egg is like the other plants. It can be mutated, and if you want to get the mutation, you just need to leave it like that and wait for the mutation. Okay, and the weather can help the egg to be mutated, or you can use the spray, the mutation spray. Wait, let me search for the mutation spray on my inventory, and I'm going to spray this bloom mutation. Okay, I'm going to spray it to this egg. Okay, and let's see. I'm going to collect it, and let's compare the value between the mutated one and the original one. Okay, this is the original golden egg, and let's compare the value. Okay, this is the golden egg without mutation. Let's see. So this is the value, and then I'm going to try this one. And wow, that's so great. So you need to wait guys, don't immediately sell your golden goose, so you will have the higher value. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.